Guys, in today's video, we're gonna look at how to remove new and old oil stains from your concrete driveway using Chomp, found on Amazon.com. Links will be in the description below. This product works very well, works really good on dry days. So let's go ahead and apply the product and we'll show you how to use it and how well it works and how effective it is. So stay tuned. All right, so the first thing you wanna make sure is that you shake the product up very good. Give it a good shake. When it's wet, it's gonna be like a thick milk. When it's dry, it's gonna turn into chalk. Go ahead and pour it over your oil stains. Now the trick with this stuff here is you wanna take a hard brush and you wanna thin it out. Thinning it out like this will help it cure faster. Actually, it will help it dry faster. All right guys, once you apply the Chomp to the oil, you want to smooth it out so it's thin. That allows it to dry and do its job a lot quicker than if you just pour it on thick and leave it on. So let's go and let it dry. We'll come back to the video and then we'll do the next step, which is scrubbing it when it turns into a chalky form. All right guys, it's all dry. We washed it off, we scrubbed it. You don't have to scrub it. You really just have to let it dry and then sweep it off, but I like go the extra mile. Anyways, here it is. You can see the spot right here. It took all the oil out of the concrete and a little bit of residue left over, which you could still sweep off or scrub off. But yeah, that's it. Easy as that. Check it out. Amazon.com. It's called Chomp. Links in the description below. But that's how you remove oil from your driveways. New stains, old stains, dried stains, don't matter. It pulls it out. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching my video. If you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. I'm going to try to be uploading a lot more how-to videos, not just automotive related stuff or cleaning stuff, but maybe everything how to make things, how to bake things, how to powder coat, how to properly sandblast stuff, everything. So guys, if you like more content, hit that bell notification. I really appreciate it. As always, have a blessed day. Peace.